Alright, we have 2,732 miles on her bike, and we have 34 days left on the oil change. Let's figure out how to reset this service light. Alright, we are going to try to use the OBD Link MX Plus for the first time on the wife's Tiger to reset the oil change interval. And to open the box, it comes in this cool little carrying case. Talk about small. That's probably only about 2.5 inches, maybe 60-70 millimeters square, something like that. Open it up, and there's your plug-in unit. It's the first time I've had it open. I don't have any clue how easy or hard this is going to be. We're getting ready to do the beginning year oil change on the wife's Tiger. It doesn't need it via mileage, but it's basically 11-month-old oil, and I want to get it changed before the riding season starts. Okay, this is the first time I have ever plugged this in. The ignition of the motorcycle is turned off right now. Alright, it has power. Looks like it's trying to communicate, which I do not have my tablet set up to communicate yet. And just so you know, this is Android only, so Apple users, you cannot use this. Alright, I'm starting the software for the first time ever. Oh, okay. Allow. Yeah, at this point I had to go do some more research. The OBD2 software cannot be used with the Triumph. You have to download something called Tune ECU. Probably got to set this up in Bluetooth first, don't I? So let's go to settings, connected devices, pair new device. Let's see if it shows up. Yep, OBD Link MX right there. Oh, it doesn't need access to my contacts. Okay, now it says it's connected. Okay, first thing we need to do is find the Tune ECU app. We type it in, select it, we go to the website. This is where it gets a little bit confusing, I'll be honest with you. It's really hard to find it, but you have to go down and scroll until you find where it says download it from the official website. Click on that, it takes you to it. You can download it right here. Of course, I've already got it downloaded. Go ahead and download it. Now, this is not on the Google Play Store for whatever reason, so with your whole Google thing, it warns you the first time about it's not an official app or something like this. We're going to go ahead and install it. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go through the whole how I registered it, how I paid for it, but you do have to pay for this, and it was about $30 US. It boots up like this. If you notice in the top left, it says unregistered. Because of that, you cannot use it to reset your service light. It will let you look at a lot of different things, and I'm not even sure what it will let you change, but I have to go back through and re-register it, and now it will work again. That's basically how you set up the software. Alright. Back to connecting. You do actually have to pay for this app. It was a $30 US charge. It is not free, just so you're aware. Alright, it appears that we're connected. That was up to date. Now you must click on register in the bottom left hand corner. Alright, bike is registered. Okay, now we got tests and adjustments. So, let's bring up the menu here. Okay, tests and adjustments. Adjustments. Reset service interval. Run by miles. Time and date set right, which I think it is. Worst case scenario, I can always come back and do it again. We're going to reset it to 6,000. Today is Monday, February 19th, so we will reset it to 2024. Hit validate. Next service is due in 6,000 miles on February 19th of 2024, yes. And you see the screen just changed. My screen here on my Tune ECU app just changed. Now, that's how you do that. And I have to give a shout out to Blue ADV because I could not figure this out on my own. I had to use his video to figure this out, which I will link in the description below in case you would rather watch his video or watch his video also. Alright, I hope you got something out of that video. We got the test ride all done. She's back in the garage, ready for the next ride. If you would, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please mash that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next video.